Hello friends, welcome to the Wealth Creators. So today we are going to learn something new, interesting topic. So before going to that topic, let me tell you that we are there on YouTube also. That is your Wealth Creators. Okay, so do watch the learning videos of Canara Bank, BPCL, HFCL, and SBI also. And we are also on other social networks like Instagram, so you can follow us on Instagram also, that is wealth underscore creators 7. And we do share, we give views on the stocks and all over here also. Okay, and you can follow us on Twitter also. In Twitter also we are active, and we do share other views on the various stocks, like you can see the view on Monte Carlo. So recently it got achieved. Okay, so you can go for look for the views also over there. Here we are posting the chart details also, so you can have a view for the all the stocks which we mentioned over here. Okay friends, so let's begin with the investing.com. Okay, so today's stock we are going to select is Tata Chemicals. So I'll share you the chart of the Tata Chemical also. Before that, you can see the stock has closed at 746, which is 18% up, which is 2.53% on as per the Friday's close. So we'll go to the technical chart, and once the technical charts open, we'll go to full screen mode. We'll select the candlestick and we will select the time frame, and it would be a daily time frame. So once we go to the daily time frame, you can see here the stock details have been mentioned, the bars are there. So we'll draw a very basic trend line. So okay, which will be connecting this and this. So you can see the Tata Chemical has recently given a breakout, that is on Friday. So it is one of the good breakout with good volume also, you can say. So we are expecting the view for Tata Motor is bullish as of now. So friends, let's see the support also, where the stock is getting the major support. Here you can see it somewhere around over here. Yes, yeah, 720. So let's take the 720 as a support zone. So I'll mark this zone as a support zone and make it a bit darker so you get the view. Okay, so this is the one of the support zone. Okay friends, so you can keep 722 as support, and the current market price is 746, and the target could be 770 or 800, somewhere around. And it is having one more major resistance, that is around 800. So it will we are expecting it will try to test it again, the 800 levels. So this could be one of the major resistance, so you can buy it over here and you can sell it over here. Or if the volume is good, then we will have a big breakout above 800, and then the stock may fly ahead. And Tata Chemical is one of the good companies of the Tata Sons. So, and it is a company which is there in the stock market from very long, so you can rely as an investment also, and it is one of the good companies. So friends, in this way you can find out the trend breakout happening in the Tata Chemical. So let's say this was regarding the cash people, those who are trading in equities, so they can buy at 746 with a SL of 722 and with a target of 770 or 800. Okay, so let's talk about someone who is into the future and options, those who are not in the stock market, that is sorry, I mean to say not trading into the equity. So for them, we have one of the strategy. Okay, I'll open the Opstra. Okay, okay, this is Opstra Define Edge, where you can make your strategies and all. I'll select here Tata Chemical. Okay, so we are going to go for the options, not the future. So I'll select the option. The option which we are going to buy is 750. CE. So current market price is 21.7. Let's count as 22. Okay, so we have added. So you can see the max loss is defined as 21,000 and max profit is unlimited, undefined. So, okay, so when you are buying this, you are deciding your loss, that is 21.750. Okay, against this you will be selling 770 CE to keep your, we are not doing this as a naked, we are having a 770 CE sell. So I'll press a sell over here. The current market price is 15.6 and we'll add this position. So we are forming this a bullish strategy over here, which will give us max profit as 13,850 and max loss is 6,150. So ratio is 2 is to 1, double the profit. And you can see the loss people can bear is 6,150. So those people who are want to take the position can take this position on Monday or Tuesday whenever you feel like. So make sure don't take position below 9:30. Wait for the 9:30. After that you can decide the position. So friends, this way you can option people can go for the option buying and as well as the option selling in the Tata Chemical. I hope friends you had learned from this video, and people who wanted to know more about option strategies and also will keep sharing such kind of videos in our channel. So do subscribe and hope you have learned from this video. Thank you friends.